Good afternoon. Welcome to BBLI Media. My name is Tim, and this was a pilot radio, console stereo. Today I'm going to be disassembling it and preparing it for its rebuilding in the future. I'll show you what's left of it. I toned out the speakers, they all appear to work. This is an early solid state pilot radio. Pilot made really good tube gear back in the day, but this is a solid state and we're going to try to resurrect it. I know very little about repairing electronics, so we're going to go through this together as an adventure. And hopefully, if all goes well, it will come to life when we're done. I believe these are Gefco speakers, but I'm not positive. I'm going to be gutting the cabinet today so that I can... Basically this console is trashed, so I'm going to salvage the components and either modify the speaker cabinets or just build new ones. And then I'll have a nice component stereo when it's finished, hopefully. As you can see, the bottom is that. I kind of like the louvers on the front. It reminds me of an old organ speaker. Unfortunately, it's been painted over the, what was, I think, mahogany? Could be wrong. It kind of looks like mahogany, but I'm not sure. There was a Gerard turntable changer in there that's been removed because I won't be using it, and it needed to be rebuilt. And I have several other turntables. Here's the face of the... I already pulled the faceplate off. The faceplate's down here and will need to be refurbished, cleaned up real good. Alright, let's get started with the disassembly. Here's my screwdriver. This might require a hammer. I'm going to get a hammer and be right back. Alright, let's see if this works. That's what was supposed to happen. This will just slide right out. There's the amplifier. That is really gross. That's going to need to be cleaned thoroughly. I guess it's best to go up. This is to remove all the wiring. They're documenting where. So these go off. These out of the way. Those are actually attached to this board. That beautiful thing. That is really good shape. That ought to make some nice music when it's all put back together. That is the paper cone tweeter. I'm really curious if it still works. It's really nasty. Paper's in good shape though. The meter did it test it out okay. Pull off the mid. Okay, after finding the right size nut driver, I was able to successfully remove all of the drivers from the cabinet. That cabinet is in pretty rough shape. I wish I could salvage some of it, but I don't think I'll be able to. The wood was really nice, wood is usable, but these may end up getting rebuilt with new cabinets. This is the mid driver. The paper cone is in good shape, and I hope to keep it that way, but it is really dried out. Both cones are like that. The other tweeter, and then the woofer I moved over here. So this is the other woofer. The other one I took inside already. This one's got plenty of dust on it. Very, very dirty. Anyways, that's that project. That may be on the back burner for quite a while. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.